Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in into today's video. So, as you guys can see by the title, I will be doing my first impression on the Element Lights ring light, and I'm so excited because I do have my other ring light right in front of me and I am holding on to my camera, so just please bear with me. I'm so excited and I'm so nervous, guys. You guys cannot believe how long it took me to get this ring light. So before I get started, I just wanted to share some updates. Okay, first things first. I tried to film a video for you guys the other day, but it did not turn out well because I just was not happy on how it came out. And yeah, so I decided to wait for this package and then film another video for you guys. Another exciting news is I will be posting another do-it-yourself lash extension videos. Now these are just falsies right now, but I've been waiting until I received my other lashes that I ordered from Amazon, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna get them really soon, so definitely subscribe so you won't miss that updated version of a do-it-yourself lash extension video. And of course, your girl needs to do some clothing haul for you guys. So I've ordered some clothing for you guys. I'm not gonna share where I ordered the clothing from, but I'm so excited. I know I mentioned on Instagram about a Q&A videos. I am waiting for some more questions. So if you have any questions or any comments, definitely comment down below. And guys, I just want to get to know you so much more. I don't want to make this channel only about me and my videos. I want to get to know my audience and my beautiful people. So definitely share something about yourself and put your favorite emoji, and I'll definitely check out your channel. And of course, before I get started, I hope you guys are doing great, and thank you once again for tuning in today's video. I hope you guys are healthy, and yeah, let's get started. Oh my gosh, guys, look how big this is. This is insane. Before I get into the unboxing, I have this crazy story. So I purchased this on April 4th, and today is April 24th. I just received this ring light today. They did note or put a comment when I ordered that it could take about 20 days due to the pandemic. They finally notified me through my email that they just shipped this package, I think like mid last week, and today is a Friday. Honestly, I started getting really nervous because when I was trying to look on YouTube, I didn't see like any reviews in particular for this brand that sells ring lights. Now on their website, it looks like the reviews are all like good reviews, and if you don't know, like it had like a green check next to those names, and basically I think that what that means is that either they were I don't know, like paid reviews, or they only approved like positive reviews. So basically, as I was doing some more research, I ended up seeing some really negative reviews from customers to this brand. Like some people said it was a scam, some people said that when they received their package it was damaged, and basically their customer service was terrible. To be honest, when I ordered this a few days before they actually shipped this ring light to me, I reached out to customer services, and it probably took about a day and a half before they actually respond to me. And when they did ship it, I messaged them on their email asking if they had a tracking number. And then what happened was I didn't receive any response after that until today. I finally got USPS tracking information, but the worst part is it turns out that they delivered to the incorrect person. Luckily, that lady was so sweet. She actually came and knocked on my door and told me that that package was actually meant for me. Let's get started. So nervous because it's been like over 20 days. I'm so nervous. Everything looks in good shape, which is good. And we also have the user manual. This is a really nice bag, but it looks like what's in here. They have all the small pieces. There's that, another phone holder, extension phone holder, some more clips, and some small pieces. And of course they have that stand. I found a limit lice from an Instagram ad. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not, but I've been seeing it on Facebook, and I've been seeing it on Instagram. So I bought this ring light for $79, and so far I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. I haven't seen anything broken, so that's good. I actually saw this brand, or I mean this website going on sale with the ring light. I was so excited because you can actually attach your iPhone to the ring light, and I believe this is 10 inches. So it's nice that it came with the bubble wrap. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's full. And of course we have that plug-in for the ring light. This you cannot remove, which I do like that. It's pretty convenient for me, because what's annoying with my current ring light is that it keeps like popping off here and there, or like especially when you have to travel and then you have to remove that, and just be sure that you don't misplace your LED light cover. Now, if you haven't noticed, it looks like this ring light came in with like a small remote, which I really like that. If you guys want to see a review on my other ring light that I am currently using, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm gonna go ahead and just start setting up the ring light. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this one here so that way it can release. And there you go, it's released. Now, depending on how high you want, you can actually lower the ring light by, you know, extending it. And then we're gonna go ahead and tighten in the knot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this little funky thing here. Basically, you want to put the pole between here, and then you want to go ahead and lock it. So you'll go ahead and do this. Honestly, you could put it anywhere your preference. So once you've placed it wherever you want it to be, go ahead and just twist. Just grab this piece here, and there's that little hole there. You want to go ahead and stick it over this piece here, and then twist. You can also move this thing around here, and then you can lock it. And keep twisting. And there you go. It's pretty stable. What you're supposed to do is don't put this on first. You want to put this piece here on top of this, and then go in with the ring light on top. Okay, so adding that little piece here instead of here, don't do that. So adding that here allows you to move it around a little. Then of course you have this little knob here to tighten it. Now at the final piece, you want to put this. I'm gonna twist that. And what I did notice is that I didn't find a plug for this. So what I'm gonna do is just find, so this is probably not recommended, but I'm gonna go ahead and just use this wall adapter here, plug that in, and we'll see how it goes. The very last button here, the power button, turns on actually, so that's neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my ring light that's in front of me, and we'll just take a look at how this ring light does. And by the way, this iPhone, I believe it's like an iPhone 6. So this is how bright the ring light is currently. And then let's go ahead and turn it all the way down. see how that looks. And then we'll go back all the way up. And let's go ahead and just change the tone. So there's that warm tone, and then we have this cool tone. So this is on its brightest setting. This is just the, I would say, neutral setting here. And we're gonna go ahead and change the tone. This is the cool tone setting. And then now we have the warm tone setting. Okay, so this is how the ring light looks. Looks really nice and neat. And again, you can actually place this anywhere you want. I just went ahead and left it there. And again, this is 10 inches. Now we're gonna see how good it looks with my phone that I'm using to record here. So again, this is on max. Currently it is on the blue tone setting, max. Let's go ahead and change it. So we have the warm tone setting, which is cute, super, super cute. And then we have just the neutral setting. This setting makes me look a bit green. And then we have the cool tone setting, which is highly my preference. And yeah, I really like this ring light for 79 bucks. I think it's awesome. Was it worth the wait? Yes, but at the same time, I was so nervous when I ordered this ring light because, you know, the customer service response and everything was kind of delayed, and it might be just because of the whole pandemic. All right, guys, that is all for today's video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed day. And don't forget that you are beautiful and amazing. I'll see you guys.